at that deep orange color. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Let's go see what we can harvest for lunch today. Cucumber here. So we'll harvest this for lunch. Just twist, 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 turn, turn, turn. That is a beauty. See lots of flowers, but no more fruit. But the more you harvest, the more the plant will produce. So just keep harvesting. Oh my goodness! I didn't see this under here. Sitting on the ground, and the leaf was covering it. Yeah, this has been here for a little bit. I don't know. Some always catching rainwater. I keep pots and buckets just sitting outside. I have not had to water my garden much at all this season. We've just been getting so much rain. Not sure what that is, but it is coming off. Yeah, we'll just remove the skin. But yeah, perfectly good cucumber. Can't pick something you don't see. I didn't see that. Man, that was a nice surprise. I love a garden surprise. See tomatoes. I see tomatoes. Okay, even if they're blushing, I'm going to go ahead and get them. There are tons here. This one's blushing. Ooh, this one feels super ready. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that deep orange color. That's perfect. Oh, this is a great example of the different stages as they put on color from the green. Oh, shoot. I lost that one. Oh, yuck. You've been eating my stuff. Look at this. Look at that. See that sneaky.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
How about some lemon balm tea? Let's take a few sprigs of this. The more you harvest, the more it will bush out and become fuller.
Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child, fresh greens popping, and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll make some tea. The grass just keeps getting longer and longer. Each time we cut it, it grows back just as fast.
Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-Lock Nation, remember the name.
We'll have to come out and harvest some of these flowers for floral arrangement. Cranberry crushed hibiscus, huge dinner plate size hibiscus. Ground cherries, 4 o'clocks. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak. Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in
I got small hands. But yeah, it's going to be a nice lunch. This is just lunch. Nothing major. Quick lunch. Got some other veggies in the house as well that I can add to it.
Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame from the dirt to the dish. She changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech. She don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Pretty onion tops. I'm sweating out here. Let's check on the strike beans. Okay, I see quite a few strike beans here. I see a snail in here too. Let's get rid of that. Cut off some of these bad leaves while I'm in here. Kind of twofold, do some pruning, some trimming back, as well as harvesting. Oh, this is going to be a nice lunch. Fresh green beans. Yeah. And the more you harvest, of course, you already know, the more they grow. Nice, right? I think I got, oh, here's another one. Got a few more. I'm going to check these other plants I have over here. Okay, so we're going to look in here. It's hard to see with the flowers and everything else going on in here. I do see some green beans, so yes, we're going to harvest these as well. Okay, let's grab these up. Nice, nice. Yeah, they're nice and sweet and tender. It's not about how big they are. It's about getting them when they're at their peak ripeness. Because we want it to taste good. We don't want to chew on anything that's woody, rubbery. Okay, that'll be it for today's harvest. Swiss chard, green onion tops, sweet 100 tomatoes, cucumbers, and these are the Japanese cucumbers. I can't remember the exact name. Strike beans, basil, and lemon balm. And of course, the beautiful cranberry crushed hibiscus. That's today's harvest. See you in the kitchen.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak. Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails from seed to the skillet every meal.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.